My arm hurts so bad. Why is my life looking like this? Life on what? God, my arm hurts so bad. Gosh, this is hurting. Why is my life looking like this? The sun, I'm against the sun. Huh? Life on what? That's a bimbo. Day out at the park. We're at Lekki Conservation Centre. And that's start there. Okay. Here we're looking at the monkeys. Here, look at them. So we just got to Lekki Conservation Centre and we just want to explore. So I just got around where there's monkeys. So come with me. I'm here with my friend, my sister, my friend, and our kids. So we just want to. She came around for the holidays, so we want to see you guys. walking on this bridge. Okay. This bridge is super long. I'm close. This is where this is nature life, and damn, this is really fun, interesting so far. Let's move towards this is where the toilet is. That's a toilet. That's the road to the toilet, and I guess this is the gazebo. Yes, exactly, this is the gazebo. Well, this is fun and really interesting as well. Let's walk down to where the chairs is. This is like a family park. Okay, yeah. This is what it's called, the family park. And they have food. They sell food. So if you want to get food, you can get over here. Okay, let's locate the chairs. All right, I think. Okay, yeah, right. That should be the entrance to, or the place to get the chairs. I'm not sure. That's the way to the food. Life of a vlogger. It's not easy. Okay, walking to the. Here's the chef's bird. We have lots of people over there. Looks fun and interesting though. You can see lots of people like hi. Okay, so you can see lots of people on the chairs board. That's Sonia, my sister. You guys are already familiar with her. That's my friend's baby. That's the little one. That's the little one. I love the way the sun is hitting on my skin. It is giving me the glow I want, that I love. Woo! There's a poolside here. Interesting. Why does this place look so good? Am I ready to take pictures here? Let's see. I'm gonna do a vlog over here. That behind me, those are the kids and my sister. Let me take a picture or make a video. Fishes. You don't want to come out? There's a little section as well. That's for tennis. They're playing tennis. This is what you do. So far, this place is fun, it's interesting. I can't believe I've been missing out on this. Coming out or going out to nature is interesting, quite interesting. and I love the scenery. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be ending the video here. Yeah, baby girl is here. Let me go meet her. I wasn't able to take the canopy walk. I guess maybe my next visit I'll take the canopy walk, which will be fun and interesting, and I'd love to capture that as well. So yeah, all right, okay, see you guys later. Hi guys, hi guys, hi guys, hi guys, hi guys. We're here at the Lekki Conservation Centre. So far this is fun, it's interesting. My friend came to town. My arm hurts so bad. My arm hurts so bad, really bad. This is hurting. It's hurting my arm so bad. But so far so good. This has been fun and interesting. Coming out to nature. What I've been missing out for a while. God, my arm hurts so bad. Why did I come out with my tripod? I guess I missed out on that. Okay, so yeah, I'm not sure this video is going to be a long one. I don't want the video to be lengthy, but I want it to be really interesting and fun as well. So yeah, see you guys later.